Shane, I know you don't have high blood pressure, but what I'm going to do is demonstrate for you today a modification of a push-up for people that do have high blood pressure. Now, people who have high blood pressure can't get down and do a standard push-up on the ground because they can't get their arms over their head. That puts far too much pressure on the heart. So what we're going to do today is a modified one against the wall, called a wall push-up. Okay? So this will still involve the pectoral and deltoid muscles, all the things that you'd be working when you do a normal push-up. It's just not having that intensity and that pressure on the heart. Alright, so I'll just demonstrate for you. I want you to stand about a metre away from the wall, facing the wall, arms up against it here, a little bit wider than shoulder width and heart. Pushing down towards the wall, actually I can go slightly closer, towards the wall, and then back. And that's one rep. And then back again. Okay? As slowly as you need to do it. Try again for that 4 down, 1 up.
And your feet are flat, no?
Yeah, no, keep your feet flat. 1, that's great, well done. 2, 3. Are you still feeling that in your shoulders and your chest?
A little bit, not as much.
Not as much? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one for me. Awesome, well done. Great.